Diving means for me like being in a different world.
So the underwater world is completely different. You see and connect with animals, and you see how fragile our environment really is. And it's an opportunity to give back to that world, conserve it, and advocate for the creatures that most people don't even know are there. It's just pure bliss to forget about everything around you in your daily life.
There's just so much life here. Every dive, you just never know what you're going to see.
Take me to a different planet.
How breathtakingly beautiful it all is. It's something that can't even be described. It can only be experienced.
Understanding how complex the ocean environment is and how many different layers of life there are, I feel a greater responsibility of trying to keep it clean.
Because you see that it all ends up in the ocean. And when you see that next to the animals that are there, it just doesn't make any sense.
I think if everyone got the chance to dive, I think there would be a lot more awareness of conservation and taking care of the oceans, because there's such an appreciation that comes with it.
So you learn about our planet, you connect with it in such a meaningful way.